Remke Industries is a kind of a small player leading a lot of modern day marketing for our industry because we do electrical components. It's some hard parts and some molded connectors for a lot of industrial machines and things around automation and data centers even. Yeah, so before we were working with VBOUT, we were just getting into the CRM side and the marketing automation side. They kind of went hand in hand at the same time for our company. And we were on HubSpot before. Initially, we were pretty happy with HubSpot, but it became so bloated, and the CRM side mixed in with the marketing automation, it really just became it was almost becoming too cumbersome and too hard to track what we were doing. And having the full HubSpot CRM and the marketing automation as one software actually was hurting us. Since we've come to VBOUT and we've actually moved away from HubSpot for the CRM as well, it's helped us use VBOUT wonderfully to kind of as a holding pen to qualify leads. It's cleaned up our CRM and our marketing automation at the same time. Calculating the cost of what our growth had been contact-wise over the last 2 years, and I did some projected cost over the next 2 years, and it was like, okay, this is just getting outrageous. I liked the fact that it was simplified, and of course, the not having the contact-based pricing was huge for us. The pricing model and the simplification and the focus on really powerful, for us, it was the powerful automations. It's been excellent. And one thing I should actually touch back on too, aside from the automations, was the way the e-commerce integration works, because that was also much less involved than if we had tried to do the same thing in HubSpot. And actually, I don't think, at least when we were on HubSpot, they didn't even have the same capability to do it. So having the e-commerce integration tied into it and the other integrations that we can do, getting stuff into Salesforce has just been huge. But yeah, it's been great working with VBOUT. It's not just pushing everything to the CRM, being able to follow up with that lead, and then push certain ones to the CRM, and then maybe we push a certain lead to the CRM later down the road after they take some different actions. Which again, even with the e-commerce integration too, it gives us that much more capability on different products they've looked at, other things. It's much more targeted, and we actually get the sales guys' attention. Our salespeople, it's not all that noise where it's just too many. Hey, this one's qualified. This is an MQL. Check it out. It's been an effective tool for us for tracking. It's made the tracking a lot easier when we have those paid ads come through in those different campaigns. And we can change stuff quickly. You know how a lot of the salespeople are willing to change something last minute and say, hey, can I have this up tomorrow? We want to change the priority. It's easy. And that's another thing that's less on the Remke side, but more on a personal preference side. I did not like HubSpot's landing page builder. I thought it was too clunky. After years of using it, we built up different templates and made it work, but the VBOUT templates are much quicker. Quit wasting money on something else, honestly. When I first saw VBOUT, I thought of it almost like a WordPress of marketing tools where you can, with the different integrations, it's easy to build out exactly how you need it. And it's been great for us. And another thing of taking action now is a lot of other marketing automation platforms I've dealt with, not even just HubSpot, but some others, the customer support is there, but it's always delayed. And with VBOUT, even from the time when we were trying our demo and our trial store or our trial account, it was the support's there all the time. It's fantastic support.